Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Moto Buds 270 with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices or the Bluetooth. Now at the device list click pair new device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth. Then open the charging case, and if your earbuds don't connect it with another devices, they will enter to pairing mode automatically, and we will see them at the device list. Now tap at your earbuds and then click pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!